Mr. Chairman, sir, I rise to participate, not to support the court motion, but to express the reasons why maybe the amount mentioned in this head has to be passed by this House. There are many reasons to that. In our service to the public, any good work that we do has always two results. Some take it as development, some take it otherwise. When we look at the demand and the budget as a whole, the Chief Minister in his budget speech has also expressed or mentioned a very beautiful couplet which is in Khasi. The meaning in English has also been given by the Honorable Chief Minister that day. But allow me, Mr. Chairman, sir, to tell one incident in my interaction with the people where this amount, why it has to be spent, and the reason to put the requirements in perspective. In one of my interaction with the villagers, I went for a meeting. One of the speaker said, using that same couplet, Baroh Briew Stad, Mano bala manlen, la Khlem dapli Klat, Kumno Lait Kren. But that gentleman said it with a little modification. He said, Baroh Briew Stad, Mano bala manlen, la Khlem dayo Klat, Kumno Lait Kren. I was offended by that speech, just like maybe some members here will also feel offended. I called that speaker to the corner outside the hall. I said, why did you speak like that? I was offended.
Yeah, please translate.
Who cannot understand? Can you also tell it in English?
Yeah.
The same, whatever
The
is
modified,
okay,
the modified
being shared
couplet. The
will be
modified
enlightened. That couplet was mentioned by the speaker in
the modified one.
The modified one,
Yeah.
okay.
Ngaro also.
Baroh Briew Stad, Mano bala abanlen. Everyone has wisdom. Who can deny that? La Khlem dayo Klat, Kumno Lait Kren. If he does not get one glass, how can he speak? So I was offended during that meeting. I called him outside the Ïingdorbar hall.
Klat indicates what? You have to specify that also.
That's why I got offended.
No, Klat or what? Water or what?
I'm coming to that, sir. I'm
Okay.
coming. I was offended. I called him outside. During a serious meeting, why do you have to speak like that? Then he told me, what did I say? No, you said Klat. That's where, doctor, your mind is crooked. You have ill intention. When I say Klat, I didn't mean alcohol. That's what he explained to me. Then if you don't mean that, you explain to the meeting. So he said, this couplet, La Khlem dapli Klat, Kumno Lait Kren, we live in a different era, he said. In Khasi, he said, Ngiim hakajuk kabatumay, Kalat kamuan shu shangi. Opportunities do not come to us. We have to go and search for it. Doors are not open for us. We have to go and knock on doors for opportunities. That is the Klat. Klat means you have to have the desire. You need to have direction. You need to have motive. You have to need drive. You need to have the drive within you so that you can find the opportunities. They don't come. When my father got his job, he said, he was pulled out from home, come and join the police. He said, no, I don't want to go. But he said, no, you have to come. We have very less manpower. But now, 3,000 posts, 3 lakhs applicants. So let us come to the point. That's beside the point. Here, under this head, yesterday a beautiful budget speech was presented where vision was added, direction was given, and the desire and the drive were indicated by the different results. Under this head, why 11 crores 19 lakhs 81,300 has to be passed today? Because, as the head says, Council of Ministers, Secretariat and General Services. Everybody knows how the CMSDF is spent wherever there is a development gap that is being filled up with that. The YES program, where different schemes are being aided, and the elite fellowship scheme. This also is a new way of thinking, new way of providing space to help our eligible people. Now, when we talk about the Chief Minister's Secretariat, Mr. Chairman, sir, if you allow me, ideas just don't come like rain. They have to be thought out properly, they have to be selected, and they have to be vetted. Now, I think if we talk about the different development schemes, how the biggest football stadium dedicated for football has come to Meghalaya, that does not happen just like that. Many people must have given ideas. Many people must have worked. That is why we see here the contractual services, foreign travel expenses, even domestic travel expenses. The office of the Chief Minister maybe sometimes will have to send people to Delhi, go and run around for this scheme, go and arrange a meeting with so-and-so fellow, go and find out the details of the companies that are available in the market, what things can be done for the state. So, the Chief Minister's office should have the wherewithal, rather the ability to spend where it needs to be spent. Here I would like to quote Ralph Waldo Emerson, Mr. Chairman, sir. In one of Ralph Waldo Emerson, for the information of the House, is a 19th century philosopher. He's a poet, he writes essays and so on and so forth. In one of his pieces, he has mentioned like this, quote, "To different minds, the same world is a hell and a heaven," unquote. This head of accounts 2013, to different minds means different things. To me, it looks like some more has to be added. Because I feel through this head, we can help more in terms of developmental gaps. We can help more of our people who needs elite fellowship for sports and creative economy. For me, I feel the grant in aid through the SDG, Chief Minister Special Grants. That is how I see it. But to a different mind, this may look like wasteful expenditure. But there's no complaint on that, Mr. Chairman, sir. This is the beauty, and I thank our Almighty God who have created each one of us differently. We think differently, we act differently, and for a democracy, Mr. Chairman, sir, this is very, very essential. This is how we bring check and balances. This is how maybe when there is an overreach by the Chief Minister's office, we can tell them, slow down. This is the mechanism where the way we think differently, will help our state. So as far as my point of view is concerned, this head of account has to be passed today, and we expect more from the Chief Minister's Secretariat to bring with more innovative ideas, because at the end of the day, Mr. Chairman, sir, the benefits will trickle down to our people. The benefits will see that our state has improved. Even in the last few years' reports, even the government of India accept that Meghalaya is the second fastest growing state in India. So with these few words, I will not delay, Mr. Chairman, sir. This head of account has to be passed. Thank you. I resume my seat.